All right, we're gonna paint a speedy clown. We just saw his cute smile, so I know where to put this little clown muzzle. Just gonna use some fusion white really fast there and some white above his eyes. Go a little bit above the eyebrows because you want your clown to have big eyes to make him look extra happy. So they're gonna be floating up there. Once you've got the white all patted down, you can add a little, keep your eyes closed, a little blue over the eyelids. And then I'm gonna take some red, give him a cute little clown nose. Just paint the bottom part of the nose so that it's not too big and too scary. And then do his lips. And you can put a little dab on each side to make the smile a little bigger. And go all the way around with the red. And then I'm just gonna add some super fast eyebrows. I'm gonna make them cute looking, going up and down to the crack of the eye. Up, down to the crack of the eye. Can you open up your eyes? And if you want, you can put a little black line under each eye to make those eyes pop out. That's a super fast clown for you. You say cheese? Cheese!